car. It's a very expensive car. It's a huge blue parked car. While driving down the street, he sees the girl on the bicycle. She had long blonde hair and is beautiful. He asked her, "What's up?" She ignored him. He yelled, "How's it going?" She keeps going and ignored him. He yelled, "Hey, where going? You talk to me. I want to go to dinner with you. I will take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl turned, gets out the bike, and looked at him. She said, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me your car, I will give you a surprise." Carlos said, "Okay." He jumped out of the car. He gives her the key and says, "Here are the keys." The beautiful blonde takes the key, then kisses Carlos on the cheek. Then she jumps into the car and rides away. Carlos stands on the sidewalk. Now he has no car and no girl. He said, "That's it? Just a kiss on the cheek?" He gets on the bike and rides home.